Hello friends, welcome to our channel. It's me Vivek from Tech 101. Today I am going to show you how you can share files by Google Drive. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, you need to update Google Drive to its latest version. I already have updated Google Drive. Most of the Android phone contains Google Drive by default, so you don't need to download it. You just need to update. After updating it, you have to select the required document which you want to share. I would like to share this video to my friends, so for this click on share and click on save to drive. After this, you have to choose document title, and after choosing the document title, you have to click on save, and you can see the file is being uploaded. You can check the progress in the notification bar. It takes few seconds to upload. Now the file is successfully uploaded. You have to go to Google Drive and then click on three dots and click on copy link. After this, the link to this file is copied. Now you can share this link to anyone. So guys, it's easy and simple. How was this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it to your friends and family and subscribe our channel.